Have you ever heard of compact powder or foundation for tan skin? I think especially in Malaysia it's really hard for us as brown or tan skin untuk cari foundation or compact powder yang really suit our skin tone. But I tak sangka finally I jumpa local product yang keluarkan compact powder for tan skin. Oh my god! First swipe pun dah gempak. Not gonna lie, because this magic pinky powder blend well with my skin tone. Okay, now I nak tunjuk dekat you guys macam mana I cover my under eye dengan this magic powder. And I can see this magic pinky powder also give a full coverage. And it is not overclaim guys, sebab tadi you guys boleh nampak I ada dark spot dekat sini, and also I punya under eye agak gelap, but now everything is gone. Look at that, lebih sekata and flawless. So now I nak siapkan my whole face and we gonna see the final look.